Hey everyone, how are you? Myself Prince, and in this video we will again going to review. Now this time I am going to review a website. This is actually a portfolio website of mine, and this is not just normal website. This is actually a full stack. I have used MERN stack basically for making this application or web application. So in this video we are going to see, first I will show you the working of this website, and after that we will move to the code. So yeah, let me tell you, I have developed this website for myself only, and this took me around 20 days to make the full application. It took me around 5 to 6 days to make the backend, and it take me around 15 days to make the front end of this website. I have used MongoDB for my database, and let's see what it provides us. So we'll move to our screen and we'll see what are those and how the website looks, right? So now we are on our browser. We will so I have deployed this website on Railway.app. If you haven't seen my previous video in which I have showed you how to deploy your full stack application on any cloud provider, like I have deployed my website on Railway.app. So yeah, this is the home page of the website, and this is the contact me. If you click, you will redirect to the contact page, and yeah, see, this is the little moving part. This is just an animation. This is project section, and yeah, this is blog section. And at last, yeah, again, this is for contact. This is the footer. I have provided my YouTube link, Twitter link. This is the LinkedIn, and this is my GitHub. And if you want to change, or if you have any query, you want to change this page, then feel free to go to the GitHub repo of this project and do whatever you want to do, right? So then we'll move to this blog section. See, this is the little blog section in which I have written some content about ChatGPT. This is the date when I published it. Actually, date is not in the correct format. I will debug this later. This was a blog section, and see, this is the education section. Let me tell you, this is a portfolio website, so every content of this website is related to me. So yeah, I am doing undergrad from this college, and I have done my 12th from Akash. Yeah, this is project section. In this section, my motive is to put all the project that I have done in the past. Like, as you know, I am also an Android app developer, and I do full stack web development. So this I have provided only 2 projects right now. In future I will add some more. Yeah, this is a dynamic website, so the content of this website can be changed anytime by me. So this is just not a static website. This is a dynamic one. It connects with the database in the backend. So this is service section. So service section basically, what are the things which I do, I will write in this service section. So I haven't put any content right now. Yeah, this is YouTube section. As you see, I am making some videos about technology part. So these are some YouTube videos that I have done in the past. So I have put the link of the YouTube video and content and thumbnail over here. If anyone visit my website, then they can see my work of YouTube by going to this YouTube section. The last one is contact. So if you want to contact me, then feel free to contact by clicking on send message. And yeah, I haven't put anything, so that's why this is saying please fill all the fields. Yeah, so this is just, and yeah, the last one is a resume. If you click on this, it will redirect you to Google Drive link where I have provided my resume. See, this is my resume. So yeah, this was the working of my website. And if you have any doubt, or if you want to make some changes, or if you feel like this button is not correct, you want to change, then definitely go and mail me or DM me, whatever, provided I have provided the link. You can also message me on LinkedIn that Prince, this is not good. So I will definitely appreciate if anybody does that, right? So now this was the working, and let me tell you, I have deployed my website on Railway.app. Let me show you. As you see, this is my website. Three websites I have deployed on Railway. So this is my portfolio website. See, this is running. Before deploying to any cloud provider, first you need to host your website, host your code to GitHub. If you don't know GitHub, then go and learn about GitHub, because GitHub is going to help you in your career. If you are a software engineer or want to become a software engineer, then GitHub is basic bare bones of your software engineering career. So highly recommended. If you haven't know anything about GitHub, then go and learn. Right, so this was the working part. Now we will see the code. Right, as you can see, this is the, let me open this on VS Code. So I have created two files, two separate files. The first one is for front end and second one is for back end. So first we will go to back end. So these are the routes which I have created to post the content. Actually, I am posting the content with the help of Postman. If you don't know, Postman is just a service by which you can make a request to any API. Like you can make a GET request, you can make a post request, you can make a delete request, any request you want, you can make via Postman. If I show you, this is the application. Yeah, this is the Postman application from where I put all the content to see. This is the content of the blog section, and this is the route for that. So yeah, I am posting the content from Postman. So these are the routes. This is the home routes, the home page, and actually this is the backend. So if you don't know anything about MERN stack, that it will be overwhelming for you, not for me. So git ignore files are the files in which we provide all the things that we don't want to put on GitHub repo, GitHub remote repo. So I don't want to upload this node module, right? So this is the schema. You don't know, a schema is just a structure of your database, like how you are going to store particular data or model of any data, right? So this is the connection. This is for connecting to MongoDB. I'm not going to show you my URL. This is inside this .env file, right? So this is a backend of the website. Now we'll move to the front end. Yeah, so this is the front end. Let me open this. These are the components. Like, so this is the front end, these are the components, and yeah, these are the extra. If you will write here something like any route, then it will redirect it to this page, 404 page. So for that I have written the code here, and this is thanks page. When you click on, if you will make a contact with me, then it will redirect you to this thanks page. And this is the code for footer, and this is the code for header that you see on browser. And again, these are the separate CSS files. So yeah, so this was the code of my website. This is the front end code. So this was the review of my small portfolio website. Again, I am saying, if you have any suggestion or a query about this website, then you can always contact with me and share your suggestions. What do you think about this website? Or comment me, comment if you want to make this similar website for yourself, then go to this section, fix it on GitHub, and make a fork of this GitHub repo, and try to make one portfolio website for yourself. Not just like this. Do make some changes about how do you want your website to look like. Change some color, do some intuitive things about yourself, and don't put my picture, put your picture, right? And make a website for yourself. This is a public repo, so anyone can go and do whatever they want, but don't play with the main branch. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you like this video, and tell me how do you feel about this website, and do leave a like and comment what do you think about this website. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. See you.